How to generate capital gain or loss statement. Do you struggle to assess the profit or loss you have made on your mutual fund investments? Worry no more. You can get the capital gain or loss statement when you need it on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App. Here are the steps to instantly generate the statement. Open the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App and log in. Tap on More at the app's bottom navigation panel. Scroll to Track and Manage, tap on Reports and then select Capital Gain or Loss Statement. Select a suitable duration from the three available options: current financial year, previous financial year or a custom date range. Choose how you wish to receive the statement. You can get it sent to your registered email address or download it on your phone. Tap on Continue to get the statement. With this statement, you can easily analyze the performance of your investments and make smart moves for the future. Start investing now on the HDFC Bank SmartWealth App, a virtual wealth manager for all your investment needs.